Hello Casio fans from all over the world. Welcome to my new show or to my new video. Today I want to present you this vintage illuminator watch which is called VW741. Let me check for sure. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it is a VW741 with the module 1275, which is made in China. I have bought this watch from second-hand market. I paid for it around 80 euros. Yeah. I like it. Well, I don't like that much in particular, but what I like is that it is a vintage watch, and I'm not sure, I guess this is one of the first Electro Luminescence watches. Sorry for that. I hope you can, yeah, it's visible clearly, you see. The case itself, it's quite big. I do not have yet the dimensions. Maybe I will film them. But we can see that this watch has the Casio trend with the blue marker on the outer edge of the display. To be honest, for me, this yellow, which is written electroluminescence, and the alarm chronograph, it's quite, for me it's a little bit too much. It has 3 buttons like the A168 module, and if we scroll to the menu, we have here an alarm. Then we have the stopwatch with start, stop, and reset. Then we have again the setup mode of the time and date, and then we go to the main menu or to the main display. Okay, what I can see on this particular watch that I have, it has some scratches. 1985, which I guess it is the release date. It's kind of let's say too much. It's 15 with 25, so almost 40 years old, almost 40 years. It has here damage, so the case is broken there. We see the strap. This is not the original strap. I will leave some pictures that I have from Google or Reddit, I don't know, with the original strap. This is still of Casio. Initially I was tempted to say that it is not Casio because it does not have the logo here. I have a bracelet from another Casio which does not have that inscription, but the buckle, it's the same as this one. Mine is made in Vietnam, this is made in China, so different batches, does not matter. And also the style, it's a little different of the strap. Nevertheless, I have found some pictures on the internet, and the original strap looks like this. This strap fits to many Casio watches, so the CA53W, which is the calculator watch, I have bought it for my calculator watch that I have. And now if I look on the internet, I've looked on the internet, and yes, this watch has this bracelet or this strap. Yeah, this is an original Casio strap. For this I paid 11 euros. So in total 8 plus 11, we get 19 euros for this watch. What I'm going to do next is, yeah, since I bought it from second hand, what I will do is clean it a little. I have prepared some recipients with dishes cleaner, and I mixed it together with water, and I will just with a sponge I will clean it a little. To be honest, I am a little afraid. I did not open the case of the watch for sure. Since 1985 this was opened and replaced the battery, but yeah, now I will risk a little. I do not want to open the case at this point. I will risk a little, and I will clean it. The pushers pushers work kind of hard. I expect from a Casio for the pusher to work perfectly like this one. This pusher works well, but this one you have to push it a little hard. Also, the backlight, it's even harder to be pressed. You can see that intermittent is because you press it hard. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm not sure how old is this watch. I assume that it's from 1985, but you can leave in the comment if some of you know this information. Taking a look a little on the display, I like it because the digits are not that height. Somehow there are a little, yeah, it's just my point of view, a little stretch or horizontal side, and this kind of gives a nice font for the display. All right, so no further ado, I will bring the water with the cleaning agent. As mentioned, it is an agent for dishes. I do not have the English word for that, but you understand what I mean. I will clean it a little, and then I will replace the strap with this one. I have here also the screwdriver to release the springs. So, hello again. It was a little hard for me to make the setup. I do not have a good standing aid for the filming device, which is my phone. But nevertheless, let's start. I have the foam, it is for dishes. I have the water, you can see that it has bubbles in it, so it has the cleaning agent, which is dedicated for dishes. So basically it will release, or it will remove all the grease from the watch. Yeah, now it's completely underwater. It should resist. It has 100-meter depth in the water. Alright guys, I haven't done anything particularly. I just moved the watch from the water with cleaning agent into clean water, and now you can feel it while touching it, that the greases from the watch are removed. So I'm back. Yeah, it feels okay. I guess I managed to clean it as good as possible. I did not try the pushers for the moment. The strap feels very clean, and then now let's try the pushers. Oh, we've got water from them. Let's hope this not affects the watch. Yeah, water is coming out from the pushers. Let's see from this one. Yeah, also on that one, let me take some paper. I have here the paper, and I will press a couple of times to absorb the water. Well, I haven't seen this anywhere. I'm just doing it right now for the moment, hoping that I will not damage it. As mentioned, with some napkins, I have pressed the bottoms until the water was drained, and that is because of the absorption properties of the napkin. I can tell you now that the buttons work better, so they are not that stiff anymore. Even the light button, this one as well. Okay, it's been around 20 or half an hour since I have washed it, and at this point it still works. Okay, let's start and remove the current strap. Okay, let's see how. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys can see in the hole. Yeah, it has, somehow it's not that perfect round shape of the hole on this side, but it will retain. This one is damaged even more, and it seems very well. Yeah, what can I say? 1985. This is what I'm saying. Okay, we've got the spring bar, and now let's. Good. Let's check these ones as well. Well, more or less better shape. I will just go and try to clean it a little with the foam. It still has water. I will come back. Well, I cleaned the spring bar area from here to here. Yeah, it has this dent here. It's not that heavy. Meanwhile, I have bring also the caliper. Just for some small measurements. So the lug to lug is 40 millimeters, and the width of the watch is 40.3. I'm not pressing that hard not to scratch it. So I would say it's 40. And let's see the height also. So it's 11 millimeters, the height. I have here some spring bars. I will check which one fits better. This I do not have spring bars. Let's open the new bracelet. So guys, here it is, the strap. Let's see how it will fit. So it's perfect. You can see that it goes perfect into the edge of the case is with the edge of the strap, and with the old strap you see that it is a big gap. Good. So I know that this one with the buckle goes at 12 o'clock and the other at 6 o'clock, the long one at 6 o'clock. Correct me if I'm wrong, this is how I will put it. So we put the good. You see, because the spring bar is damaged, there's a little tilt up and down, up and down. It should be very stiff, very firm. Let's put the other one. Yeah, so the spring bars should have been thicker and straight, not bended. Okay, so this is the watch with replaced bracelet, and this I will leave in the corner a picture of different watches from Google. I will put it on my wrist to see how it feels also. So guys, let me know in the comments, what is your opinion about this watch? Is it its original strap? Do you like the yellow square from the display? And that's the Electro Luminescence 102-meter water resistant. Nice watch. All right, thanks for being patient with me, thanks for following me, and can't wait to see your comments. Have a nice day. Bye.